Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install YouTube on Android TV. Now, the first requirement, I want to get this out of the way at the start of the video. You need to have your Google account logged in on this Android TV, and if you do that, this process will be seamless and easy for you. So all you need to do is go to apps and go to Google or a browser of choice. It could be any browser, but preferably Google, and you're going to type in YouTube app. So type in YouTube, and if you find a suggestion of the YouTube app, that's one I've opened up, and I'm going for the one on play.google.com. That's the link you want. So click on it, and you're going to find this install button. Now click on the install button and just wait. You'll pen for some time, and then it will begin to download. When the download is complete, this app is going to install on your Android TV. So just be patient and wait for it to download. It's 13% now and climbing. When it is 100%, the download is complete. After that, installation process begins automatically. Now when YouTube is finally installed, you're going to find it in your app library. Alternatively, you find this open button come alive, you turn blue, and you will click on the open button to launch the application. So just hang on tight and wait for the application to download, install, and then you can access it. So that's been it for this video. If you found it insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for content just like this.